sports industry in India has been growing rapidly in recent years, driven by factors such as increasing disposable income, rising interest in sports, and the government's efforts to promote sports and physical fitness. According to a report by KPMG, the Indian sports industry is expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 10.9% up till 2024, reaching a market size of approximately $2.4 billion or about 17,365 crore rupees by next year. Apart from cricket, other sports such as football, wrestling, shooting, kabaddi, badminton, volleyball, basketball, and hockey have gained tremendous popularity in India, and the government has been taking steps to promote these sports through initiatives such as the Khelo India program. The sports industry in India has also seen significant investment from private players, including sports leagues, franchisees, and sports management companies, which are driving growth in the sector. With the increasing popularity of sports and the growing demand for sports-related products and services, the sports industry in India is expected to continue its growth trajectory in the coming years. Sports management is the field of business that focuses on the planning, organizing, and managing of sports events, teams, athletes, and facilities. It involves the application of business and management principles to the sports industry with the goal of achieving strategic objectives related to revenue generation, fan engagement, athlete development, and organizational efficiency. Sports management encompasses a wide range of activities such as marketing and promotion, ticket sales, facility management, athlete scouting and recruitment, athlete performance analysis, event planning and management, and sponsorship and partnership development. It is a dynamic field that requires a deep understanding of sports culture, fan behavior, and the evolving trends and technologies that are driving the sports industry forward. Career opportunities in sports management include positions such as sports agent, marketing manager, event coordinator, athletic director, facility manager, and team manager, among others. A degree in sports management or a related field can help prepare individuals for a career in this field. A career in sports management is ideal for individuals who have a passion for sports and possess strong business and management skills. The qualities and characteristics that can be beneficial for a career in sports management span the following spectrum. Communication skills. Effective communication is essential in sports management. Individuals should be able to communicate effectively with athletes, coaches, sponsors, and other stakeholders. Leadership skills. Individuals in sports management roles should be able to lead and motivate teams to achieve organizational objectives. Strategic thinking. Sports management involves developing and implementing strategies to achieve organizational goals. Individuals should be able to think critically and strategically. Interpersonal skills. Sports management involves working with a wide range of individuals from different backgrounds. Individuals should be able to build relationships and work collaboratively with others. Adaptability. The sports industry is constantly changing, and individuals in sports management roles should be able to adapt to new trends, technologies, and developments. Analytical skills. Sports management involves analyzing data and making decisions based on that data. Individuals should be able to use data to help inform their decisions. Overall, a career in sports management is best suited for individuals who are passionate about sports, have strong business and management skills, and are able to adapt to changing industry trends and technologies. If you're interested in making a career in the sports industry, then please contact us and we will be happy to guide you based on your interest and educational background. Thank you.